Hi, let's look at this question 2 from our 2019 O-Level E-Maths paper. Okay, so in this question, we are given this chart and we are asked to explain why the information could be misleading. Now, if I look at this chart, you can see that on the y-axis, I have the total spending in billions, and on the x-axis, I have the year. Now, what is the misleading part here is that you have represented information using cards which are of different sizes. Okay, so how do we interpret this information is not clear, because if you say that this size is actually indicative of the total spending, then what we need to do is we need to calculate the total area represented by each of these cards to know the spending, correct? Or is it that the width of the card actually is representing a range of years? All right, so that is also not very clear. Okay, so we need to be sure that the information represented by the chart is consistent, okay, and there is no ambiguity in the way it is interpreted. So that is why this chart is misleading, okay, and we need to be very careful on how we interpret such data. All right, so that is how you answer this question in the exam. Okay, so you need to say clearly that due to the different sizes of the cards, okay, it is not clear how to interpret the information represented by these cards. All right, so that's how you answer it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Thank you. Bye.